This video, I want to answer a question from a recent member that emailed us, and they said, hey, how do we find Jewish items that sell on Etsy?
Hey, before we jump in, I'm Cody, founder of EverBee, the best product research tool out there for Etsy sellers. Please consider subscribing, liking, comment down below. It helps us rank higher in the YouTube algorithm and helps get our message out to more people just like you.
How do we find the best products to sell in the Jewish category? And I thought it'd be a great thing to answer for all of our audience, just because we get questions like this all the time. They're not specifically on the Jewish niche, but they are on religious niche, they're on funny shirts niche, wine gifts niche, right? They're in all different niches, and it all comes down to the same process. And this is what I wanted to cover today. We're going to use Jewish items as an example today, just because that's the specific question that we got. But just remember, you can apply this same strategy to every niche and use the same process to find the best products to sell on Etsy in order to grow your shop revenue. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump in. As you see, I'm on Etsy.com. We're going to use the search bar here, and I'm going to go ahead and type in Jewish, for example. Right? And look at all of the keywords that Etsy brings to our attention, all in the Jewish category, and they are ranked in order of search volume for us, right? So we can actually see, okay, the majority of people are just going into Etsy and they're typing in Jewish. The second is Jewish art, Jewish jewelry, right? And basically takes the work and the guessing game out for us. We know now that people are typing in Jewish in the search bar, and specifically Jewish art and Jewish jewelry. So I'm gonna go and use Jewish jewelry, for example, and we're gonna go ahead and dive in here and how I would look at this if I'm looking for more products to sell in the Jewish jewelry category. So I'm gonna click on this. Perfect. Our main mission today is to find one, maybe two great products that we can actually sell and make and sell in our shop, right? But we don't want to just find any products and ideas, right? We want to find the best products and ideas that bring us revenue and that are in demand from our shoppers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and type in Jewish jewelry there. We're going to click on analytics. Okay, so here we are. We have all this data loaded up, basically from all of these products on the first page that are ranking on the first page for this search term, okay, Jewish jewelry. So now we want to understand which products should we make, which products are bringing the most money, which ones are people buying the most of, which ones have the most revenue potential and the profit potential, and which ones can we actually make. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in here. So I usually sort by monthly revenue and look at all of the products that bring in significant revenue. Look at $3,000 per month in revenue. This one's 3,000, same one. 2,700, 2,500, 1,500, 1,100, 1,100. Okay, so yeah, some of these are ads, but overall, at the end of the day, like there's money coming through, these listings. So now let's look at some specifics and just jump in here. So $49 price point stands out to me because that's a good price point. Looks like it's made in Israel. Awesome. Okay. And I'm not in this niche, so I don't know what is good products, which ones are easy to make, which ones aren't. But I can say that, from a business standpoint, as long as there's margin here, profit margin, then I would make something very similar to this. Okay. I would use similar title keywords for this, and I would use similar tags that these are. They have some duplicate tags in here, which I would remove those if I were them, but let's keep going. This one's doing $1,500 a month in revenue, $41 price point. Yeah, I mean, it's certainly something I would make there. Same thing here. I mean, if I'm a jewelry maker, this is the strategy that I'll be using all day, every day, because it works. Yep, $700 a month in revenue. Now I would probably stop at around the $500 per month in revenue mark, just because I want to focus on the higher revenue products, not the lower revenue products. Now, what I would for sure not do is I would not make products. I would not focus on making products that are similar to the ones like these, like zero revenue. I would just, right? Like this one is not selling. Now it could be a variety of reasons why it's not selling, but at the end of the day, it is showing no revenue. So I'm not going to focus my time on making this product, making something similar to this. Now, are we saying go and copy all these products? No. What I'm saying is, model success, model after success. So if you're seeing a product that's selling really well, then make something very similar to it. If we're seeing something that's not selling well, like this, it's not selling well, then I'm not going to make this a product that looks exactly like this. I'm not going to make a product that even looks probably similar to this. Now, it could be a search problem, right? It could be a conversion problem. Like this one could be images. The image isn't that great. Title is not very good. They're not optimizing for all their tags. So it could be some other things that we would consider there. But at the end of the day, we want to make products that are selling. We don't want to make products that are not selling. Okay. So yeah, I would do that strategy and I would use it for every keyword on here. If I make Jewish art, then I'm going to do the same exact strategy. And I'm going to go ahead and use the analytics button to basically validate which Jewish art is actually selling, which ones are not. So I can make more of what is selling well and not make the ones that aren't selling, if that makes sense. So I hope this video helps you. Again, you can apply the same strategy to any type of niche. For example, I just type in religious, right? Religious SVG, religious gifts for women. I could type in Christian, right? Same exact thing. Can't think of any other, let's see. Catholic, right? So it's an unlimited potential of things you can be making and selling, and just using the strategy of finding what people are searching for and then just go and analyzing and validating the products that people are actually buying. Cool. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Again, EverBee is the best product research tool there is. It's incredibly powerful for figuring out which products to sell on Etsy, which ones you shouldn't sell, which are going to be profitable, which aren't. And there is a free forever plan. So there's 0 credit card required, 0 risk. So sign up in the link in the description below. It's 100% free to join. And I look forward to seeing you guys there.